Hi guys, here we have an exercise where we have to fill up with anything or nothing. Okay, so does he know nothing about computers or anything about computers? So, what do you think? What's the right answer? And what's the logic behind this? Remember a simple thing that nothing is used with positive sentences and anything is used with negative sentences. Okay, so whenever you have negative sentence, you will write anything, you will use anything, and whenever you have positive sentence, you will write nothing or you will fill nothing. Okay, so let's start. Now the first is, does he know blank about computers? So this word know, this gives an impression of a positive sentence. And what do we do, guys? When we see positive sentence, we use nothing, so nothing will come here. Does he know nothing about computers? Okay, I can write this sentence in other way also. When I write he doesn't know blank about computers. Okay, when I write this sentence, we see that not is coming in the sentence, and whenever we have negation in the sentence, we use anything. Okay, so I can write here anything. Okay, so both these sentences have the same meaning. Okay, but this is the way of writing. When we have positive sentence, we use nothing. When we have negation in the sentence, we use anything. Okay, so this is how we will fill the things like nothing and anything in our sentence. So second is, there isn't blank specific and attractive in this game. So guys, we can see not here. Okay, and when we have negation in the sentence, we use anything. So I will write anything here. This is, there isn't anything specific and attractive in this game. Now next is, you will see blank in my room. So this word see shows positivity, that something is there, you can see. So when we have positive sentence, we use nothing. Okay, so the answer will be nothing. You will see nothing in my room. Now next is, the students do not know blank about their future job. So again we see not in the sentence, and when we see negation, when we see not in our sentence, we write anything. The students do not know anything about their future job. Next is, there is blank to worry about. Okay, so this helping verb is gives a sense of positivity, that there is something. Okay, so whenever we have positive sentence, we use nothing. So for positive sentences, we use nothing. Now next is, the film was in French, so I could not understand, and not means negative sentence. So whenever we have negative sentences, we fill anything. So the film was in French, so I could not understand anything they said. Now next is I did not eat blank for lunch, and not is there in this sentence. So as per the rule, what do we fill here? Do let me the answer in the comment section. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.